Okay, 2.1.2. Determine the general term of the sequence in the form of Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So we're told to determine the general term. So what do they mean when they say determine the general term? They mean you have to find the equation which determines the sequence, whether you're going to get a 234 or 261 or whatsoever. So here we're told we have to determine the general term or the equation of the sequence in the form of Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So with this formula, we have a formula which helps us get the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. For the value of a, we have a formula which is 2a is equal to the second common difference. And the second common difference here is 2. So now we have to solve for a. So we will divide by 2, also divide by 2 here. So a is equal to, this will cancel that. So a is equal to 1. And then to get the value of b, we have another formula which helps us get the value of b. And that formula is 3a plus b is equal to the first term of the first differences. So the first term of the first differences is negative 31 here. So this will be equal to negative 31. So let us continue. We have 3a. We already know the value of a. The value of a is 1. So we will substitute with a 1 plus b equal to negative 31. And then we have 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, plus b equal to negative 31. To make b the subject of the formula, we will have to take the 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side. We will do that by subtracting 3 and also subtracting 3 here as well. So b will be equal to negative 31 minus 3, that is negative 34. And to get the value of c, we also have one last formula which will help us get the value of c. So that formula is a plus b plus c is equal to the first term. The first term is 321. Alright, let us substitute for the values of a and b because we already know them. So the value of a is 1 plus b, which is negative, let us put it in brackets, negative 34 plus c equal to 321. 1 plus negative 34 is negative 33 plus c equal to 321. So now we have to make c the subject of the formula. That is, we have to add 33 and also add 33 here. So this will be equal to 0, such that c will be equal to 354 because 231 plus 33. So now we have the value of a and the value of b, also the value of c. So we were told to find the general term and give it in the form of Tn equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So let us substitute in the formula. We have Tn equal to a is 1 and obviously n will be n squared plus b will be negative 34 n plus c, which is 321. 54. We have Tn equal to 1n squared is the same as n squared. And then we have plus negative 34n. So that is the same as minus 34n plus 354. So this is the general term of this sequence. It is Tn is equal to n squared minus 34n plus 354.